Hello YouTube, this is RJ from Simple Nomads. Today's video will be a review of a refrigerator slash freezer that we have. It's called Joy Totus that we got off Amazon. The pretty reasonable price. They work really well. They got great reviews on Amazon. We actually have two of them, a 55 liter that we use for our freezer and a 42 liter that we use for our fridge. The reason why we have two is we got rid of our refrigerator out of our camper because it was 110 only and it was small. So these are 12 volt or 110. Come with both cords. They work really well. So let's get on with the review. Here it is, the refrigerator slash freezer. Joy Totus is the name of it. It's got a temperature gauge over here. Goes down to -4, which I've seen it at -4, but ours hangs out about 0 to -2 degrees. You push this button to adjust your temperature up, which you can use as a refrigerator by just adjusting the temperature. This goes down, has an eco mode. So if I press this, it turns green for eco mode. White is max. Got an off switch. Down here, it's got a fuse. It's a 12 volt, 24 volt plug. That little button on the right is medium, high, and low at the battery voltage. So if you run it on your battery at different settings, it'll cut off. That way it doesn't kill your battery. So the low has a low setting here, has a voltage drop off, high does, and so does medium. Got two vents, one on each side, as you can see here. It's real quiet when it runs. Nice sturdy top. Nice insulated case. Let's open up, take a look. This will hold 30 days worth of meat, frozen. But we don't leave it in the original packages. We take the air out of it with the device that we have. We suck the air out of it on one of those vacuum pumps, food savers. It makes more room, meat stacks better. This little compartment over here acts as a refrigerator separate from the freezer, but it's still a freeze. It's got a light chain to hold the lid open. It's got a basket you can pull out, make it easier. Well insulated, as you can see the silver in there. I can't say nothing bad about it. We've had it for almost a year and we've had no issues with it, none at all. It's come unplugged a couple times and for like 8-10 hours we didn't notice it, and it never got above 20 degrees till the meat stayed frozen. So it's really insulated. It's got really good handles. I mean, it's spring loaded. Roll a lot of tension. This is a 55 liter. We also have a 42 liter inside that we use for a refrigerator. I won't show that one. It's the same thing, just smaller. The reason why we have two is because our refrigerator that we had wasn't 12 volt. It was just a 120 volt apartment fridge, and it didn't hold a lot, so we didn't like it. So we got rid of that. Made the area that the refrigerator was in as a storage unit, and bought one of these smaller to act as our refrigerator. So we made more room for storage, and they both work great. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps you make a decision on a refrigerator. These are great for cars, campers, RVing, nomad lifestyle, vans, whatever. They're perfect for whatever your case may be. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And once again, this is a review of the 55 liter Joy Totus freezer slash refrigerator.